Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make one of the best baked and moist chicken in the oven. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. Let's get into the video. To make a delicious moist baked chicken, I'm using some chicken which they call leg meat. And what I'm going to do, this is already washed. I washed them off with some vinegar. You can use a little bit of lime to wash them off. And I'm going to use a bit of olive oil. I have some green season here, which I've made up. And here I have a bit of brown sugar, some Linden all-purpose season. You can get this on eBay, some white pepper, paprika, and some Vegeta. So we're going to combine all of this together and show you how to make this lovely, moist baked chicken. So what I'll be doing here, I have a bowl here, so I'm just going to put them all in the bowl. I'm going to go over with our dry season over this. Next up, we're going to pour our green season. To make this green season, there's a recipe for this in my channel list, how to make green season. Some olive oil over this. Now we're going to get the marinade in and make sure your chicken season evenly. Smells so delicious already. So I'll be getting my dish here, and I'm just going to put them straight in the dish. Make sure to preheat your oven at about 350 degrees. It depends also on the oven you're using. I'm using a convection oven, so the temperature is going to be a little bit different. So now I'm going to put them straight in the oven. So now our chicken is ready. Look at that, how delicious that is. So now is the interesting part, and there's a tasting part. Look how juicy this is. Wow, this is so juicy and delicious. Let me know in the comment section, how do you like your baked chicken? Ladies and gentlemen, if you do find value in this content, please do like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.